Question is asking what is the value of this particular integral, right? So I can say cos x, look here all of you, 0 to pi, 1 divided by 5 plus 4 times cos x can be written as 1 minus tan squared x divided by 2 divided by 1 plus tan squared x divided by 2 times dx, right? So I is equal to integral 0 to pi. After taking the LCM, 1 plus tan squared x divided by 2 will come to the numerator. So 5 plus 5 tan squared x divided by 2 plus 4 minus of 4 tan squared x divided by 2 times dx, correct? So I is equal to integral 0 to pi, 1 plus tan squared x by 2 is secant squared x by 2, 9 plus tan squared x divided by 2 times dx, correct? Put tan x by 2, put tan x divided by 2 is equal to t. What do you get when you put tan x by 2 as t? You will get secant squared x divided by 2 into 1 by 2 times dx, that is equal to dt. So secant squared x divided by 2 into dx, that is equal to 2 dt, right or not? 2 dt. So what do you get now here? I is equal to integral. So when x is 0, t is equal to 0, correct? And when x is equal to pi, t is equal to what is it? When x is equal to pi, t is equal to tan 90. Tan 90 is how much? Infinity. So your answer here will be 0 to infinity, 2 times dt divided by 9 can be written as 3 square plus t square, right? So I can say I is equal to 2 integral 0 to infinity 1 divided by t square plus 3 square dtl, right? So we know the standard result, integral 1 divided by x square plus a square dx, that is equal to 1 divided by a tan inverse of x divided by a plus c, right? So I can write here I is equal to 2 times 1 divided by 3 tan inverse of t divided by 3 integrated between the limit 0 to infinity. Yes. So your answer to the question, I is equal to 2 divided by 3 tan inverse of infinity, minus tan inverse of 0, correct or not? So answer to the question will be 2 divided by 3 times tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus 0. So I is equal to, what's the answer that we get? Pi by 3 will be the required answer to the given question.